right here. I think I've winched a few people out of here before. You know how deep it is right here?
I mean, I've come through here before with my 4-wheel.
Yeah.
He came through, right through here with his side-by-side and blew out the side. And then he went back, tried to go back around it.
So he went all the way through here. Let me go around this way and I'll walk around. I'll walk through there. We're just gonna kind of winch you straight back this way.
I got a
All right. There you go.
Hey, Jack.
Hey, bud.
You could have got right up there.
You got reverse? You don't have reverse? Oh. Hold on. I didn't know that. It gets real soft right past that tree branch. It's pulling me. You ain't got nothing on the belt? Yeah. So much for that idea. This whole island right here is moving. Hey, can you get my hook off of there? how deep that is. I know it's safe to go around through there. For y'all everywhere. What's up, bud?
I saw a video of an alligator. I was like,
Yeah, that's cool. I've been looking everywhere for y'all, just tagging along with strangers I meet.
We've been back here stuck like Chuck.
Are y'all super stuck?
We're out now.
Oh.
Now him out. He's around here. And then he went to go around and break his drum off like that. You're about to flip it. He had to jump out and grab it.
Yeah.
I'll jump on the other side to hold it down.
I just I broke my fucking winch rope.
Oh, shit.
Some boy over there in a RZR with no snorkels, fucking soaking wet belt.
Oh, shit. Every time. Yeah.
What's this one stuck too?
It's drowned out. Yeah,
Oh, for real?
we're trying to get it out so it'll. Did you try it? Yeah. You going? Something.
So bad.
Alright.
Yeah. That's drowned out?
Huh?
It got wet?
Now he shut it off.
Oh, so it's good to go?
Yeah, but now it filled up the exhaust.
Oh,
Yep.
can't win for losing.
He was buried.
Yeah?
He was smoking. So he
Shit.
shut it off.
Alright, Richard, so? Richard?
One problem with this thing is that you got ground clearance.
This? I like the size of these, man.
They get sketchy though when you start getting into something deep.
Yeah.
They want to roll quick, especially if they get.
Yeah, I was gonna say these balloons on here. This is what I want to put on my bike.
The players do.
Just come over and put your dick on it. Put your dick on it. You ain't gonna pick it up from the back. You gotta pick it up from the front.
Yeah,
Ready?
lift his back, not your
One,
legs.
2, 3. Everybody get on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all ain't picking up. Y'all bitches are just looking at it.
Yeah, hell no.
That's because y'all ain't picking it up.
Nah.
Hey, we can put a winch. I don't think that's regulation weight.
Ocean said no.
I said we could put a winch to kind of pull it over. If I put a wrench over the roof.
We need to find a
over the
big
roof into
tree,
that front
man.
bar.
He don't have a winch. If he had a winch, we could jack
Oh,
up the
shit.
tree.
I think we can do it again.
I'm rich, but I ain't that rich.
I think if everybody put their motherfucking, if everybody really put some
Hey,
try in it.
listen.
She ain't 280, she ain't a lady, that's all I got.
Hey, back when you had the DA.
Hey, she gotta be too something to do something, that's all I
Bring a liquor bottle.
Oh yeah, that's right. And her kids came
Everybody
out and
really
called you
pick it up
daddy.
this time. That was a big business.
She had a little bit of a
You're right, I forgot all about her.
Careful, man. I grabbed that. that.
Sean, I know you can pick up a. I know you can pick up a beer can. So grab this tire right here. Ready? Set. Really go. Yeah. See, y'all weren't lifting last time. I knew y'all were lying. Yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah, now what?
Ow, that's just my leg, it burns.
There we go.
Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah. See, I knew y'all were cheating. I knew y'all were cheating. Y'all bitches lie like fat bitches. I can't touch it no more hardly.
That ought to be draining.
Does it come out the exhaust? Listen, don't nobody let go, okay?
How are we gonna let go?
I want you guys to know we're gonna be on YouTube.
Hey, how are we gonna let
All I know is if it starts to come out, y'all better get y'all motherfuckers, I'm underneath this. Some motherfuckers over to get out
You guys
from
better
under.
subscribe to him.
That's right.
This whole video?
I do.
Alright.
Hey, girl.
Hold this. Yeah!
Point it at us.
Come on, honey badger, get your ass up. Watch out for that tree, don't trip on the tree.
Alright, there's a tree right behind you. Get out underneath it.
I don't know what I did. Huh? I don't know if I did.
Oh no, don't stop it.
I think it might have stopped.
We gotta do it again? Nah, bro. Fuck it.
Hey, if I would have took the hook off, it probably would have went all the way back and arrested. I'm just saying.
That bitch is running on one. It's fixing to run now. I know that.
Oh, that's what we did last week. You just kept turning over, so that motherfucker ran on one. As soon as it ran on one, I put that plug back in there, bitch fired right up, shot water about fucking 50 feet out the back of it.
Well, you know, if you run on one, there's no water in the other one. Oh, 05, baby, 05!
Hopefully my filter dries out enough.
Woo, that'll help.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Well, neutral really helps. There it goes. Woo! P500 saving the day.